The Harley-Davidson Peashooter was a 350cc single-cylinder racing motorcycle that the motor company initially released in 1926. The Peashooter was designed for the Australian, New Zealand, South African, Rhodesian and European lightweight motorcycles market. And it also became a fierce competitor in the AMA 21 cubic inch class races against the dominant Indian and Excelsior models of the time. The Peashooter earned its name from the popping sound made by its exhaust pipe. The exhaust sound was a side effect of the motorcycle's performance tuning. Alongside its unique exhaust sound, the Peashooter was famous for having no brakes, no clutch, no transmission, and a direct drive chain from the crankshaft. These elements moved the Peashooter along at deadly speeds, topping out at 100 miles an hour on the racetrack. This was made even more dangerous by the Motordrome style of racetracks that the Peashooter was accustomed to. Motordrome racetracks typically consisted of circular or oval-shaped racecourses composed of wooden planks. Courses typically ranged from a half mile to 2 miles, with up to 60 degrees of banking along the way. The motorcycle's performance on the racing circuit led to increased domestic sales. Harley's Peashooters were popular as both lightweight domestic and racing class motorcycles. However, the Peashooter's success was short-lived, as the Great Depression soon took a significant toll on the costs and maintenance of maintaining the wooden Motordrome racetracks. This 1931 Harley-Davidson Peashooter is a favourite amongst the Motorcycle Museum collection at Throttlestop. Located in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin, just a few miles outside of Road America Racetrack, Throttlestop is a premier destination for car and motorcycle enthusiasts of all backgrounds. Whether they're to buy luxury cars or take in the incredible rare pieces of the Motorcycle Museum, all visitors are welcome to experience how Throttlestop reveals how they live their motto, driven by passion.